Hey guys, if your train thermostat is on but your air conditioner isn't cooling the house or the AC never starts after lowering the temperature, you're in the right place. This issue can happen because the thermostat is set to the wrong operating mode. The cooling temperature is too high, the HVAC breaker has tripped, the air filter is restricting airflow, or the system is waiting for its built in compressor protection delay. In some cases, a recent power outage or incorrect thermostat wiring can also prevent the cooling system from starting. These are the steps you can try to fix this. So let's get started. Switch the thermostat to cool mode and lower the set temperature by several degrees. 2. Check the HVAC circuit breaker and make sure both the indoor and outdoor units have power. 3. Replace a dirty air filter to improve airflow through the system. 4. Wait about 5 minutes for the compressor protection delay to finish. 5. Restart the thermostat and confirm the air conditioner begins cooling.